So we're doing the Baofeng 888 hand portable. We've got it on the roof aerial. So we're going to be doing a field test when it's not raining. I've got it on an external mic, and these are reported as not working very well, but we will test both into our Tate 2000 later on in the video. He's going to go over scratchy corner. He's doing something like 15 watts, so, and this is doing 1.5, 1.2, something like that. 2E0 FKC from G0 OGF.
G0 OGF, go ahead.
Right, I'm on the Baofeng 888 over.
Roger that, where you come in currently loud and clear as we just come towards the end of the lane, over.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. Roger, got you going past Ancaster petrol station.
Roger that, you're already starting to get noisy on me, over.
Yes, and so are you, so that's interesting. Have we got rain in the aerial?
Well, yeah, it's raining. I suppose that does affect it on UHF.
Yep, Roger on that. Okay. So we're on SU21, which is 433.525.
Right, we're currently square-wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
And it's now noise free again, so this mobile flutter with the trees and the rain over.
Yeah, I wonder if the petrol station as well give me out some QRF.
Roger, take it you're on the move again.
Negative, so at the crossroads.
Yeah, because that's now a worse signal than when the first time you called.
Alright, well, we're just climbing up the hill anyway.
Roger on that. Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that.
2E0 FKC from G0 OGF. How are you doing over?
Scratchy corner, I did show you around Scratchy corner and I heard nothing back, so I assume you didn't hear me.
No, that's why I've inquired. So where are you now? Just past it over.
Just coming up towards the level crossing, over.
Roger. So we didn't get scratchy corner at all. Now when we've tested other UHF stuff, I know it is different to CB. So we didn't hear him at scratchy corner. So that's Wilsford level crossing. (2E0 FKC from G0 OGF. I just wonder if you're at Greylees Turn yet. Roger, got you at the Greylees Turn. Just say again, because I've overridden the squelch. Just say something else to me over. So he either didn't get me or I didn't get him on that. It doesn't. I don't want you to think that because we're on a £15 radio that the performance is atrocious. If you look at our video on the Tate 2000, which was at the end it was a £400 radio, it's not going to be that much different because it's the way the UHF signal works on this difficult terrain radio course. It's the wrong side of a hill, and this is the trouble. UHF is very much line of sight. It works absolutely great. We get 100 miles to the repeater if you pick your spot. I'm going to have to keep calling him, I think. 2E0 FKC from G0 OGF. How are you doing? Just wondering what your location is, over. Roger, got you going over Rauceby level crossing. Are you reading me okay? Because you're fine, over.
Yep, acknowledge you. Don't be going over Rauceby level crossing. That concludes the test, so I will say 73 for now. 20 FKC cleared.
G0 OJF clear. Right, so once he'd got to the top of the hill, which is, let's say it's a mile and 3/4 away, we didn't get him at Scratchy Corner, which is the 2 mile point. We got him at Wilsford level crossing. We had a bit of communication, so that's 3 miles. We had a bit of communication around the Kelby Turn, which is 4 miles. I was having to override the squelch. Then he came belting through for 6 miles away from Rauceby level crossing. So I say we could change this for a Yaesu set and it'd be exactly the same performance. So I don't want you to think it's a £15 set and you get £15 worth of performance. Where this will be let down is from descents from other transmitters and what is effectively bleed over. We're in the middle of nowhere and it hasn't been affected by the radar at RAF Cranwell 4 miles up the road, so that's fine. So yes, it works, and we've played with one of these in the past and we've done all right into the repeater when it is a good line of sight. But that's UHF. So we're on SU21 433.525, and they are a useful set to have. You know, these are things you can keep in the car on your local repeater, and keep in contact with your ham friends that way. What I'm going to do now, we're going to go over to our Take 2000 here, and I'm going to put the aerial back in the radio. So I'm going to go in another room, and I just need to make sure the volume is right for this. Testing 1 2.
Power on. 3.
Testing 1 2.
G0 OJF testing the Baofeng 888S hand portable with the external mic into our Tate T2000 radio. G0 OJF